Hello, I'm Wu Ying, and welcome to Friday's video. Today, I just want to give an update on Bitcoin and talk about what to do during times like these when the market sentiment is terrible and all you see around you is fear and despair. But before we dive in, I want to look at the charts and see how things have played out since the last video. Normally, I don't focus too much on intraday Bitcoin movements, but in times like these, it's important to take a step back and assess where we are, especially as we approach a weekly cycle low. So I haven't touched the chart since last video, and I just want to clean it up, review what happened since the previous video, and refine my outlook. In last video, I mentioned that Bitcoin could drop below 80K, and it ended up going even lower. I thought this might have been the final shakeout, but today Trump had a major fallout with Zelensky, and his tweet might have worsened the effects on the market. Now World War III is trending, and it could bring more downside pressure. That said, I still believe that the current wick is a strong candidate for a cycle low. Bob Lucas pointed this out, and I agree. However, with all the World War III FUD that I think is coming, there's still a chance that we retest this low or go even lower before confirming the bottom. We're still within the timing window for a weekly cycle low, and it could happen any day now. If we go to the 4-hourly, we can see that we're doing somewhat of a recovery here, but this could well go back down. But if we keep pushing through here and there's a confirmation that the weekly cycle low is really in, then this can be a trading opportunity. But overall, I think that buying spot positions here and stacking up Bitcoin and Ethereum in anywhere in this vicinity is a good buying opportunity. So I'd accumulate here. Now that we're done talking about the chart, I just want to talk about what to do during times like these. This pullback has hit me harder than anything in a long time. I can't say exactly why, but I suspect that it's the extreme bearish market sentiment right now. It's important to remember that moments like these are what separates the average Joe from those who are truly going to make it in this market. This market is a PvP environment, and for you to come out above the rest, you must be resilient. I'm sure as you saw in the thumbnail, I'm down nearly 50K this month, mostly from spot positions, but also from some trading losses. If it makes you feel any better, I know people who are down much more, but if you just take a step back, Bitcoin's only retraced to levels we saw just 4 months ago. If anything, I hope this number puts some of you at ease, reminding you that you're not as deep in the red as you might feel. But that's the thing. How it feels is often the biggest challenge. As an investor or trader, your greatest enemy isn't the market, it's yourself. It's in times like these your emotions will be tested to the extreme, and how you respond will determine your success. Emotions lead to bad decisions, and bad decisions lead to you losing money. You'll have to be willing to take the hit. We're on a mission to build real wealth, and there's so many ways to go about it, but if you want to move at an accelerated pace, you're going to have to accept more risk. Speed comes with risk, and risk brings volatility. If you can't stay calm and stomach the swings and embrace what the market has in store, then maybe this game isn't for you. I want to clarify that there's a big difference between panic selling and de-risking. It's about evaluating where we are in the cycle, whether there's a breakdown or simply just a pullback. Right now, I see this as a healthy pullback and not a breakdown of the broader trend. If that changes, I'll adjust, but for now, I'm staying vigilant, holding my ground, and staying ready for further downside. With that being said, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys can keep calm, keep stacking Bitcoin, and just be patient, and you'll be rewarded. See you guys.